You know, 1 second.
चलेंगे। ये 9 बजे तक चलने वाला है अभी।
डिपेंड करता है किस रोड पे है। आप राजवाड़ा के आसपास जाएंगे।
कैमरा रे।
हेलो। हेलो। What about the claw? What about the FD program? Hello. इसके पहले अभी एक बॉम्बे से
Hello, Purita madam, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm
Hello.
ready. Yes, sir, yes, sir,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
The resource person has joined already, or he is yet to join?
Joined already, sir.
Okay.
Joined.
I think we can
Hello.
start around 20.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
I am Dr. Sugandhi from Lakshmipati Bhopal. When the program will be started?
Yes, within 5 minutes, sir.
But I'm waiting a bit, I'm waiting since 6 minutes.
Yes, yes. After participant have to join. We are not supposed to start. At least one participant is required. Please wait for 2 minutes. Ma'am, you can start.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, good evening, all the participants who have joined us today for this ATAL FDP organized by Tagore Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kurichi, THALAIVASAL, Tamil Nadu. Today we are in day 5 sessions. Now, session 9 with the topic of sustainable development of robotics for cyber security. It has been considered the most important session because we have well-renowned person. So I request everyone to take the session sincerely. On behalf of our institution, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome our distinguished resource person, Mr. Sankarraj Subramanian sir, founder and CEO of Prompt Infotech. Mr. Sankarraj Subramanian sir is a certified ethical hacker, cybercrime investigator, cyber security consultant, and an international speaker with over 18 years of extensive experience in the field of cybersecurity and information technology. He has been actively collaborating with corporate organizations, government bodies, and law enforcement agencies to identify and mitigate security vulnerabilities and has played a key role in solving several critical cybercrime cases. He has delivered more than 146 international sessions across 48 countries, creating awareness and educating professionals, students, and officials on ethical hacking, information security, and digital forensics. Academically, he holds multiple qualifications: Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Anna University, MBA in HR and Marketing, MSc in Applied Psychology, MPhil in Human Resource, PGED in Entrepreneurship Development, and PG Lab in Legal Aspects of Business from Bharatiyar University. Currently, he is pursuing postgraduate studies in cybersecurity from IIT Palakkad. He is also an associate member of the National Cyber Safety and Security Standards and an honorary member of several national councils such as All India Council of Human Rights, Liberties and Social Justice, National Council of News and Broadcasting, All India Anti-Corruption Council. Apart from these, he has also served as an executive director of the State Public Grievances Council and convener of the District Political Affairs Committee. He is deeply committed to promoting cyber awareness and has shared his expert insights on cybersecurity, cyber attacks, and digital safety through several media interviews and public awareness programs. We are truly honored to have him with us today to share his valuable expertise on this very relevant and crucial topic. Once again, we extend a warm virtual welcome to you, Mr. Sankarraj Subramanian, sir. We are eagerly looking forward to our enlightening session.
Thank you,
Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, hi, good evening, everyone. Let me share my screen. Okay, thanks for the intro and a small intro about myself. My name is Shankarraj Subramanian. I'm a certified ethical hacker, cybercrime investigator, and I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Prompt Infotech. Prompt Infotech, we deal with cybercrime investigations. We help government law enforcement agencies and police cybercrime department in solving cybercrime cases. I've been training them for the past 9 years on how to solve different cybercrime cases. I've conducted different corporate audits for different government law enforcement agencies, and this is what I do. And training is part of a domain which we take care here. And coming to this, let me go. And I have 19 years of experience in this domain, and I've traveled to 61 countries till now, and I've delivered more than 160 plus international sessions. And yes, I'm a proud alumni of IIT Palakkad, where I did my postgraduate in cybersecurity. We have a lot of cybersecurity professionals in India, in South India as well. But the only record which I hold is I'm the only person from South India to have traveled to 61 countries and to have delivered 160 plus international sessions. And I think in North we have one or two. So we are like only 2, 3 professionals from the whole of India who have a global exposure like this. And about the trainings, what I have handled, this is for all the IETs and IIMs. This is IIT Guwahati, which is in Assam. This is IIM Shillong, which is in Meghalaya. This is IIM Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And this is IIT Tripadi. This is IIT Palakkad. And this is IIT Himachal, Mandi. And this is IIT Jammu. This is IIT Hyderabad. This is Indian Navy coaching, where I have trained them on wireless security, how to secure their wireless networks. And this is ISRO Sriharikota, where I have trained ISRO senior scientist on information and data security. And this is Kerala Cybercrime Department. This is Tamil Nadu Police Department. And this is airport security. I hope you have seen them in airports, checking all your luggages and stuffs. They're into physical security, and I'm into cyber security. They are hardware, I'm software. Now, what do you think can be my input to them? Anyone from the audience? Means they check for metal items. They check for knives. They check for suspicious devices, what you carry, and the liquids, what you carry, things like that. So they are into physical security. I'm into cyber security. I'm into software. So what do you think can be the input from my end to them? Anyone? Anyone from the audience? We both are from a different domain, and what do you think can be the input? Okay, it goes like this, where I have carried 2 devices which are banned in India. One device is called Wi-Fi Pineapple. It's not the pineapple which we buy from the market. It is called Wi-Fi Pineapple, and this device will be in the size of a mobile, and this device can hack any Wi-Fi networks. It can be something like this, a Wi-Fi Pineapple, a device which is used for hacking Wi-Fi networks like this. So this is one device which is banned in India, which is used for hacking Wi-Fi passwords. Another device what we have is this. We have Hack RF1. Hack RF1 is another device which is used for hacking radio frequency signals. We deal with a lot of robotics IoT devices which works on radio frequencies and Wi-Fi networks. So both of these devices with Hack RF1, what I can do is I can intercept 2 police officers speaking via walkie-talkie, and I can overhear what they are speaking. I can open a car, I can unlock a car without a key with this device. So I can do a lot of different things with this Hack RF1. Now I've carried these 2 devices in my cabin luggage, and I've sent them to, I've sent my baggage to a lot of airport scanners, as what you have seen here. And none of the scanners in India, scanners like this, none of the scanners detected these 2 devices. So our input to the central government was this: physical security is well and good, but cyber security, our devices has to detect a lot of malicious devices like this. And this is with airport security. And this is Nepal government. I've been there like for the past, I've been there for 4 consecutive years, associated with them for different projects. And this is Russian government. I hope we all know Russians are notorious for hacking, and it was on an invite basis to Moscow for global cyber threats and mitigations. And this is Bhutan government, and this is Kenyan government, this is Thailand government, NCSA, they are the main backbone of government infrastructure in Thailand. So the training was on that. This is Mauritius government, and this is GISEC Global. GISEC Global, one of the largest security events which happens in Dubai, where 120 speakers from different countries they have gathered, and we'll be discussing different sort of attacks which we have not heard about. So my topic was juice jacking. I hope you should have, in case if you have heard about juice jacking. Juice jacking is where you go to an ATM machine. This is your ATM machine where you insert your card, enter your PIN number, and you withdraw your money. Now, what I can do as an attacker, I can connect my laptop to the ATM machine, and without inserting any card, without giving any PIN number, I can make the ATM to spit out the desired money what I wish. That is ATM juice jacking. So my topic was that, and another topic was mobile simsa kind of attacks. So this is one, and okay, a lot of awareness throughout India. I've been in bikes. I've traveled till now 45,500 kilometers for raising awareness for cyber safety for women and children across India in bike, and I hold a record for that because it's purely for a social cause. So this is something about my profile. I don't have any more PPTs. I don't believe in PPTs. I strongly believe in live sessions. What? I think we'll mute all. Okay, great. So we have a very little time here, and we'll speak about robotics. We'll speak about IoT, and we'll speak about cyber security. And I suppose, I assume that we have basic idea of robotics, IoT, and what difference does it make. And these devices work predominantly based on wireless networks. That is your Wi-Fi. So these devices are going to get connected to your internet. So internet is one connecting factor for all these devices, internet. And IoT devices, as you know, IoT is based on internet. So what we'll do is we'll understand the importance of cyber security with regards to robotics, IoT devices, and how internet plays a vital role in exploiting these devices. And in case of robotics, in case of IoT, probably they are going to respond back to a server which is again connected to an internet. So this server will have all the database of the details of the users, of the instructions. So any kind of communication is going to go back and forth between the server and the robotics or the IoT machine, IoT device, whatever you have. Now, in this session, I wanted to emphasize the importance of internet. So I'm going to tell you this. Internet, we'll discuss about URLs, because this is where everything starts. Every attack starts with a URL. So I'll tell you what is important about the URLs. How safe is internet? How safe is our internet? What is security with regards to internet? What do you mean by anonymity in internet? On being anonymous, and we'll also discuss something about privacy. So these factors, these are the main things, key factors which play a vital role in today's digital environment. So first we'll start with security. Do you think internet is secure? As we all know, we live in a space where internet, we do a lot of things based on internet. You connect your printer to internet, you connect your CCTV camera to internet, you connect your computers, servers, everything to internet. Let me show you this, how internet is such an unsafe place for anyone to get connected. And as an attacker, imagine me as an attacker who is the bad guy, and I can show you softwares. I can show you how attacks are done using softwares, but without using any softwares. I'm not going to use any software today. Without using any softwares, I'm going to show you what vulnerabilities, what weakness does internet have, and how I am going to access these devices which are vulnerable here, and how I'm going to access all these devices without the usage of any softwares, but with the help of internet. So I have my basic laptop setup here. I have my Macintosh, I have my Apple Macintosh machine. I don't have any softwares installed. I'll show you, I'll emphasize the importance of security, how security is important or how vulnerable our internet is, so that you can go and check it yourself. So if I ask you, you can also type your answers in the chat box. It would be much appreciated. If I ask you, you have your laptop, you have your desktop, which is the most commonly used website? What is the one website which you commonly use? I think I can give the option to unmute and speak if you want, or you can type your answers in the chat box. What is the most common website? Yes. Okay. Google, YouTube. Perfect. You're getting a lot of answers in the chat box. Okay. Google, YouTube. Yes. Google. Now, what is Google? Google. Google is a search engine. Yes. Google is a search engine. Now, what can I search in Google? What can I search in Google? I can search pretty much anything. You can search anything and everything. The data, you can search whatever you want. In case if I'm searching, if I'm giving Google a search criteria like this, say all Indian professors, Indian college professors or university professors, usernames and password. If I give a search criteria like this in Google, do you think Google is going to give me all your usernames and passwords? Chat GPT. Okay. Do you think Google will be able to give me all these usernames and passwords of all the professors from India? No. Yes. In case if the website, if the server what you have used, if the server what you have configured, all your data, we have the server here. The server has a lot of usernames and passwords, millions of usernames and passwords here. Now, if this server, there is a server admin here, and the server admin has not configured the server properly. Now, what an attacker can do? An attacker, just by using Google, he'll be in a position to extract all the sensitive information, whatever is stored inside the server, just with the help of Google. Yes, for this, you need to understand how Google works, and how Google is going to give you sensitive information in case if your website is not secured properly. And for that, you need to understand the importance of keywords. These keywords, say, I'll give you a small example. Suppose you need the list of all the websites from, say, for example, Pakistan. You need the list of all the websites from Pakistan which have got login pages. All the websites from Pakistan which have got login pages. I need only websites from Pakistan, not from anywhere else. Now, how will you search this in Google? In case if you want to search this in Google, how will you search this? In case if you have understood my question, you might have thought something like this. You should have thought, give me the list of all websites from Pakistan which has login page, free download, please. You should have come up with a keyword like this. You should have typed a long sentence like this, and you expect Google to understand what you have asked for and to give you exact results. But the answer is no. Google is not going to understand what you have asked for. Why? Because Google is going to take this as a keyword, this as a keyword, this as a keyword, everything as a keyword, and it is going to give you some result which matches these keywords. In case if I am searching for this, I'll type site PK. As simple as it is. Listen to this very carefully. I'm not teaching you hacking. This keywords, you can use it for any purpose, for downloading information which you're not able to search with Google, keywords like this can help you. When I give site PK, enter. Now look at this. I get only Pakistan websites. Pakistan, 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 .pk, .pk. If I give dot US, site US, I'll get only US websites. US, 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 only US websites. So let me go with this Pakistan, and I need login pages, and we all know login pages goes like this slash login.php, login.html. So now what I'm going to do is I'll say in the URL, I need a keyword called login. Now what Google does, Google will search the entire internet for websites only from Pakistan, which has login page. Enter and see this. What is this? We have got a Pakistan website, a login page of a website from Pakistan, login page of a website from Pakistan, login page of a website from Pakistan, login Pakistan. Yes, simple keywords. Now Google will understand what exactly you're looking for. Please think of this. Google is one of the largest database what you have. Google is not a friend who is sitting next to you. You cannot type a lengthy sentence and expect Google to understand this and to give you results. You have to speak with keywords so that Google understands what exactly you are looking for, and it is going to give you exact results. So now here I've given this, and login. So in case if I need the admin's login page, or I need to give this in URL admin, in URL login, enter. Now what do you get? You get the admin's login page of a website from Pakistan. Admin's login page of a website from Pakistan. Admin's login page of a website from Pakistan. Yes, it goes like this. In case you are looking for an admin's login page of a government website from Pakistan, this you're going to get an admin's login page of a government website from Pakistan. Admin's login page of a government website from Pakistan. This is not even close to hacking. You are just giving Google some information, some keywords, and it is giving you results. And this is a better way of how you can use Google to get information. But I'll tell you how Google is going to, or how attackers are going to misuse this information. These kind of keywords, what we use in Google, they are called the list of keywords. They are called as Google Docs. So Google Docs is a list of keywords with which you can access Google to get exact results. Perfectly fine. Now what attackers do, attackers or the bad guys, what they do is this, they misuse these Google Docs to extract sensitive information from your server. Now, how will he do that? Let me go here. I'll say file type. File type, in case if you type file type PDF, you'll get only PDF documents. File type DOC, I'll get only Word documents. I type file type XLS. I'm going to get only Excel sheets. Excel sheets. This is perfectly fine. But if I search password, I'm looking for only Excel sheets from Google, and those Excel sheets, whichever Excel sheet has something called password stored in it, I'm asking Google this question. Now what Google does, now Google, once I have typed this search query, I've typed this search query here, and what Google does, Google is going to search the entire internet. Entire internet, it is going to search all the servers, any server which is connected to it. It is going to search, do you have, because I have asked for Excel sheet which has got password. Now Google performs an extensive search like this. Do you have Excel sheet? No. Okay, leave this. Do you have Excel sheet? Yes, I have Excel sheet. Do you have password? No, I don't have password. Do you have Excel sheet? Yes. Do you have password? Yes, I have password. It doesn't mean that even if the server is secure, you will be able to grab information. No, not that. In case if the server is not configured properly, there is a security misconfiguration. What will happen? Google will be able to crawl information from the server, and it will give this information back to you. Now this ability of Google is called crawling. It crawls information. Now not even a server, this can be a humanoid robot which is connected to internet, which has got all your information. It has got information about your address details, username, password, everything. And this humanoid robot is connected with the internet. And if it is not configured properly, using this crawling functionality, I'd be able to retrieve information from this humanoid robot, I'll be able to get all this information. Now, going back here, let us see what Google has to give us. And I'm telling you, most of the college websites, university websites, and government websites are weak. With digital India booming, yes, we are taking enormous steps in securing our infrastructure, and we have invested a lot. Look at this. This is Government Vivekananda PG College somewhere in North. This is the password of a student, and this is an Excel sheet. I don't want to download this Excel sheet, but when you download this Excel sheet, you will have the name of the student along with the password. Yes, and what do we have? This has usernames and passwords. Let me just download this for an example. All these are Excel sheets, Excel sheets, Excel sheets. I'll just open this and look at the information, sensitive information, what is inside this. It has got what? It has got the site name, it has got the admin URL, it has got the username, it has got the password, admin username, admin password, webmail access, email access, whatnot. You get the you get n number of information which are sensitive. I can go on with this. Let me also go with something else. I'll go one step ahead. I'll give file type env. We all know .env is a file which has got usernames and password. File type env, and I'll say database underscore password. I'm looking for database password. Now look at this. We have many websites which have leaked passwords like this. Look at this password. Look at this password. Password is secret. What is the database name? What is the password? Look, the password is very complex. The password is very complex. It has got small letter, capital letter, numericals, special character. But the place where they have saved this, they have not secured this. And just by giving a single search query in Google, you're able to retrieve information out of nowhere. Just like that. Yes, and I can go on with, again, we'll go with different keywords like this. I can also go with default devices. Let us speak about a few devices related to robotics, or we'll speak about IoT devices, IoT cameras. We'll speak about CCTV cameras, any kind of CCTV camera. I hope we all have CCTV camera at our college premises and at our home. And this CCTV camera, yes, you should have got the username and password for your mobile to access it from your mobile. You should have got the username password. But for me, the default username and password for a CCTV camera goes like this. It is admin. Admin is the username. Password is what? Password is admin. Username is admin. Password is password. Username is admin. Password is 12345. Username is admin. Password is leave blank. You won't believe 80% of the devices, CCTV cameras, which are shipped globally, come with this default username and password combination. Now, what happens if your device has a default username and password combination like this? Now, as an attacker, if your device has a default username and password like this, what I can do is I'll go and I'll search something like this, where I'll say in title webcam XP5. Webcam XP5 is a specific brand of CCTV camera. Now I'll go for this. Let me go and open this. Now this is a live footage of a CCTV camera of somewhere. We are not sure. And how is it live? It's live because it is moving. And in certain cameras, you have the time zone with which you can identify which cameras are those, where are they, and you have the option to control these cameras up, down, left, right, zoom in, zoom out. And look at this, we have the source. You can choose tune to a different angle here. This is a different angle here where you are able to control all these cameras. You are able to access all these cameras just like that. And you are able to access this only because these cameras, they have a default username and password. Yes, and we'll also go with this. Let me go for a different keyword. Let me go with in title. I'll go for a network camera. Network camera and in URL. Mine.cga. Okay, we have a network camera here. And how is it live? It says 24, 10, 20, 25, and it's a time zone. It says it is live. I don't know what camera is that, but it is live. Today's time, today's date, and this. Okay, some home which we don't know. No, not this. This is old. Let me go back. Let me open this. And yes, not even this, you can also go with printers and scanners which are connected with the internet in case if you have a default username and password, probably you can go and search any device which is connected, probably that might work. So these Google Docs, I'll tell you how easy these Google Docs are. Google Docs, enter. Now you have this particular website. I'll tell you how easy it is for an attacker to search for Google Docs like this. It seems complicated. I don't have to worry about what is inside. I'll just copy this and paste in Google. I'll get the result. These are Google Docs for file containing passwords, for the private key, whatever you want. Or you can go to filters. I'll say, I'm looking for vulnerable servers, or you're looking for any vulnerable devices, online devices. Online devices can be anything. And I go for this, look at this. All I have to do is copy this, paste it here, and it gives an attacker a leverage of accessing a lot of webcams here. Webcams, any device which is connected to internet, any device, that device can be accessed. The login page of a website, whatnot. So I hope now you should be able to understand the importance of what I've told you in the beginning of this security. If you believe internet is secure, then we are the biggest losers here. Nothing is secure. As humans, we cannot create something which is 100% secure. If you say it is 100% secure, it is secure only for today. Tomorrow morning, you will not be sure like if it is 100% secure or not, because you will have a lot of updates, a lot of things which have changed, technologies which have changed, and vulnerabilities which have identified. So nothing is 100% secure here. Now coming to anonymity and privacy. Let us go for privacy. Privacy. Now, let me go with this. Now, when I say the word hacker, what comes to your mind? I say hacker. 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 Now, what comes to your mind? Yes, something like this. A guy who is working with a hoodie, who is working with a lot of different systems, who is good at programming. Hacker's code. Let me go and type like this. Hacker code. Now, you should be wondering, I might be a big programming guy writing lines and lines of programs to hack you, to attack you. I'll show you one small demo of what can happen when you click a URL and how easy it is to create a URL. I wanted to capture your location. I wanted to capture your device details. I want to know what device you're using. I want to know what is your ISP. Are you using Airtel or Aircel? Things like that. Now, how much time do you think will be needed by an attacker to create a malicious URL like this? To create a malicious URL, I'll tell you, not less than 20 seconds. It will take less than 20 seconds with someone who doesn't have any programming knowledge to create a URL, to send it to someone, and to get all these details. I'll show you exactly what can happen. And this is a free website. And this is just for your information to know hacking is not rocket science. Hacking can be done by anyone and everyone. And we should be aware next time when you receive any URL, you should be completely aware of what to do and what not to do. Yes. So I'll go for this. And let me go to YouTube. YouTube. And okay, this is one of my videos of how to hack.
Do people interrupt you? in a meeting
Right.
or talk over you in a
I'll just
presentation.
copy the
I'll tell
URL.
you what's happening. I know it's
I'll copy the
it'll be
URL
safe
here.
for us. Safe.
I'll copy this URL. You can copy any URL. You can copy this URL, or you can copy a URL of a image like this baby image of this baby. I can copy this URL, copy image address. All I have to do is give it here. I have this website which says Grabify IP logger. I'll paste the URL here. I'll click on create URL, agree and continue. Now what do I have? I have an original URL, which is my YouTube video, and I have the new URL. All I have to do is copy the new URL and send it to someone. What I'll do is I'll send it to the okay, I'll send it to the chat box to everyone. Message everyone. You can click on the link. You can trust me. You can trust me. You can click on that link and see what happens. I've done this in front of you, so you don't have to worry about anything. Your mobile is always safe. I just want to show you a small demo of what can happen. Just click on the link which I've sent you in the chat box. And see
Yes,
what
sir,
happened.
I did that. I did that.
You did that and you are able to see my video. So nothing
Yes,
suspicious.
sir.
Nothing
No,
suspicious.
no, not at all.
Perfectly fine.
But it says a message like OMG, phone hacked by WhatsApp
No, no,
message.
that is my video. That's my YouTube video for a YouTube channel. You don't have to worry
Okay.
about that. Now, coming back here, let me refresh this page. This
Mhm.
page, I'm going to refresh this page and see what happens here. Now, I have a lot of details here. Yes, if I've sent it to one person, I'd be able to completely identify what mobile they are using. Let me go for this. Let me click on this. Now I know this person's IP address is this. They are from Hyderabad and they are using a Samsung mobile. From the browser, they have clicked this and it is Android, and the version of Android is 10, and they are using Reliance Jio. Internet is such an unsafe place. It's such an unsafe place. You'll have to
That's a
double check.
wonderful information, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So within matter of seconds, I told you it will not take much time. It is not programming code, 1,000 lines of programming code. The attacker is going to sit nights and nights of together and to create a malicious code like this. No, it is as simple as it is. Just copy any URL, take it, and in case if I want to modify the URL, I can modify this URL something like this. All I have to do is come up with a fancy message stating that Flipkart exciting offer, 60% offer on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Please use the below link. And the link looks like this: https://flipkart.com. Flipkart.com/. Now, when you see flip and when you see https, you immediately click this link. You are not going to buy this, but you wanted to check, is it really 60% off? And when you open this, you might end up in a Flipkart page, but all your details can go to an attacker. This is just the starting of what can happen with the URL. I'll show you another video of what can happen. This is especially for women out there. I am telling you again and again, internet is such an unsafe place. Don't trust URLs. If it is from a very close friend of yours, don't trust. If it is from an unknown person, don't trust. I'll tell you what happens when you click this URL and in your mobile, nothing happens. And you feel like, okay, what? I received a message. I click this, nothing happened. Okay. But for an attacker in his laptop, what he can get, your mobile camera will turn on without your knowledge. Your mobile will be idle. You'll not have any reaction to that. Your mobile will be idle. Your mobile camera will turn on. It will take picture of you every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, and it is going to send it to the attacker. And your mobile will be perfectly normal. I'll show you a sample video of one of my interviews with that. Shankar Raj Subramanian. Okay, I think it is, yes, this. Nakiran. Now look at this. What happened?
Disappear for a month and do this instead.
So this is how I became the most
Dada.
ஒருவேளை நான் இந்த அட்டாக்கு ஆளாயிட்டேன்.
Let me, okay, choose this. Please watch this video very carefully. This guy is asking me, can you hack my mobile? I said, okay, let me send you a link. Just like how I have sent you a link in the chat box now, I'll send you a link. See, this link is different. It says ngrok. I can change it to anything, whatever I want. Now, what does he do? He clicks that link. And what happens in the backend? In the backend, in my laptop, it says the target has opened the link. And what happens after that? I get a picture of him. This is a picture of the person. It the software, what it does, it takes picture of him every 5 seconds and it sends back to me. Every 5 seconds, I'll get the picture. I've got already 4 pictures of him. Until I stop, it is going to send me pictures. Now, why am I saying this? We click a lot of links unknowingly. We take our mobiles to places where we shouldn't be taking. We wake up with our mobile. We take this mobile to our restrooms. We take this mobile. We look at the camera. We do a lot of things which we shouldn't be doing. And all this happens just by clicking a link. That one link which was created less than 20 seconds. This link was created within less than 20 seconds. And again, the software which I used in this video, again, to download this, to install this, to create a link, it will take less than 20 seconds. Internet, again, is such a shocking place. There is no place for security. I'll show you one more example of what can happen when you click a link. This is a phishing based link, the Flipkart link, which I've showed you. And the software is like so easy to use. It will give you different options. Option 1 for English, option 2 for Tamil, option 3 for Hindi, whatever you want. Just like that, it will tell you. Option 1, I can generate a Flipkart link. Option 2, I can generate a Facebook link. Option 3, I can generate an Instagram link. What do you want? You just type option 1. It will give you a link like this, https://flipkart.com. You send this link to anyone. They'll open. It will open the Flipkart login page. You will give your username and password. It will log into the Flipkart page, but the attacker will get the username and password. Again, we'll have to be very careful with this. I'll show you one more video of mine. Shankar Subramanian. Where is that? Okay, Z Tamil. Okay, this.
முழு எபிசோட்களையும் இலவசமாக ஜி ஃபைல பாருங்க. இப்பவே ஆப்பை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
இப்ப இவங்க இருக்கவங்க யாராவது ஒருத்தர் போனை வந்து நீங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியும்னா பண்ணிடுவீங்களா நீங்க? நான் வேணா அதுல வேணா எடுத்து பண்ணி காட்டலாம்.
He is asking, can you connect? Can you get someone's password? I said, yes, I can connect.
அவருடைய சிஸ்டம் கொடுங்க. For example, நம்ம Flipkart choose பண்ணுவோம்.
This is the software which I spoke about. See here, it is option number 1, 2, 3. I get different login pages, Facebook, Instagram, whatever I want. I'm choosing Flipkart.
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல எனக்கு அது ஹாய்ன்னு பிங் பண்ணீங்க.
And look at the link. What does the link say? The link says https://www.flipkart.com. There ends everything. You will absolutely believe that it is a link from Flipkart because it says https and it says flipkart.com. You are not worried about the second part of the URL, which is very long, which we never read. We never completely read all the URLs. Now I'm sending this link to him. And he is sending me a message.
So the link மட்டும் ஒரு basic template மாதிரி Flipkart ஓட மெசேஜ் மாதிரி ஒரு template மாதிரி யாரோ தம்பிக்கு அனுப்புறீங்க நீங்க. Okay, hi னு பர்மிஷன்காங்கல்ல.
I'm sending it to him with a message stating that offer Flipkart Big Billion Day offer is live. Please click this link. And he's clicking that link.
அது ஓபன் பண்ணாங்க அப்படினா Flipkart ஓட பேஜ் ஓபன் ஆகுதுல.
Look at this. Can you believe this is a fake page of or a cloned page of Flipkart? This looks exactly like the original page of Flipkart. But when you look at this, this is a clone page of Flipkart and he is not feeling suspicious. Why? Because it looks so genuine, so original. So he's entering his username and password.
ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ஓபன் பண்ணு. ஓகே, என்ன செய்யணும் சொல்லுங்க அவரு அடுத்து. லாகின் கேக்கும். அது பேஜ் மாதிரி
இருக்கும். He's entering his username password.
நீ ஒரு பாஸ்வேர்ட் எட்டி பார்க்காதீங்க. ஏன்னா இப்ப இவர் சொல்லிடுவார் அந்த பாஸ்வேர்டை.
Now, it took his username password. The fake page took his username password. It logged into the actual page. So he doesn't feel anything suspicious. He is completely okay. Now see what happens.
அவரோட யூசர் நேம் வந்து மொபைல் நம்பர் 94436 பாஸ்.
I get his username and password. As simple as it is. Again, your usernames and passwords, whatever you enter, you have to be very careful. If not, something like this can happen. I'll show you one last demo of what can happen for a complete. This is for everyone who does internet banking, who says, my mobile is very safe because I use iPhone. My mobile is very safe. So if I'm using Android, it might be not secure, but iPhone is very safe. So I'm very happy about using an iPhone and I'm 100% safe. For those, please watch this. It is a complete takeover of the mobile. It doesn't matter what mobile you're using, be it iPhone or be it Android. If your mobile is compromised via a phishing link, it's compromised forever. I can see the messages, what you have received. I can look into your call history, whatever calls you have made. I can open your gallery and see what pictures you have taken. Or if you take a picture now, that picture will get uploaded to your mobile, but it will also get uploaded to my laptop immediately. The worst thing is this: I can turn on your camera in real time, and I can see what you're doing. I can turn on the back cam, I can turn on the front cam. For you, the mobile will be completely idle, as if nothing has happened. But I can open both of these cams and I can see what you're doing. I'll show you a demo of this video, see what happens here. Behind words, okay. Behind words, not this one, this one. Okay, I think it's this. Okay.
Most working professionals are finding jobs the wrong way. They see a job post and they hit the apply button. And then they hope they get a call for an interview.
Safe for us. Okay. Date
access பண்ண விட போற image இல்ல once you
Okay.
இங்க நான் யூஸ் பண்றது அங்க ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகும். அதாவது நான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்றேன் அப்படிங்கறத டைரக்டா
what he is doing his mobile. This mobile, his anchor's mobile, I've compromised his mobile. And now see what can happen. He is in a different network. My laptop is in a different network. But see what happens here.
பார்க்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இப்போ நான் பண்றேன், அதை நீங்க கண்டிப்பா ஆஃபீஸா பார்க்கணும்.
கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க.
யா
கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி அதை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. ஃப்ரண்ட் கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். அதுவும் பண்ணலாம். கேமரா சும்மா ஒரு போட்டோ மட்டும் எடுங்க.
He is taking a picture. With his mobile. And
அது எனக்கு இங்க அப்டேட் ஆயிரும்.
that will get updated in my
நீங்க இப்ப எடுத்த போட்டோ. ஸோ இன்ஸ்டன்டா எல்லாமே அப்டேட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ ஒரு அட்டாக்கரா வந்துட்டு ஐ கேன் ஓடிபி எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்க மெசேஜஸ்
OTPs which I can see.
என்னென்ன ஓடிபி வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்றத நான் மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சு கரண்டா பேசுனீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்றத நான் பார்க்கலாம். ஐ கேன் டு வாட் எவர் ஐ வாண்ட். இங்க இருந்து நான் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபைல் அப்லோட் பண்ணனும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா ஐ கேன் டு தட். இல்ல காப்பி பண்ணனும் அப்படினாலும் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே. இப்போ நான் போன்ல என்ன பண்ணாலும் போன்ல என்ன
இப்போ உங்க போனோட
I have turned on his mobile camera without his knowledge. He doesn't know that because his mobile is very idle. Now see what happens.
கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஓகே. போன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கேமரா ஆனதே தெரியாது. பட் இப்போ நான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்றத கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி. இதே ஃப்ரண்ட் கேம் ஆன் பண்ண அப்ப இப்போ மூஞ்சி நான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். இட் இஸ் ரெக்கார்டட் ஹியர். ஆனா அந்த போன்ல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா there will be no notification. கேமரா ஆன் பண்ண தெரியாது, எதுவுமே தெரியாது. பட் I can still see what you are doing here.
ஓகே.
சோ இது நடக்கும் அப்படின்றது தெரியணும் நமக்கு. ஒரு அட்டாக்கர் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம்ன்றது தெரிஞ்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா it will be safe for us.
Okay.
Yes. Again, internet is such an unsafe place. Please don't trust URLs. Now, you might have this question, Shankar, we understood we won't trust the URLs, but we are in the teaching profession. We receive a lot of emails. And in a lot of emails, we receive PDF document from students. We receive Excel sheet from students. We also receive URLs from students. Now, these are all attachments. Now, as per what I say, everything can be malicious. But practically speaking, if you ask me, okay, then how do we carry on? How do we carry on with the session? Like, carry on with the life like this, where we deal with a lot of attachments like this. Again, we have to open up these URLs, click on these URLs, open up these documents. How to make sure that they are 100% safe? I'll give you a solution for this. Please don't forget this site. The site is called virustotal.com. This is one site used by most of the corporates. Virustotal.com is one site which is an excellent site for detecting malicious files. Let me go for the site. Let me go for virustotal.com. This is virustotal.com. Most of the corporate search engines use this site for checking if the file is malicious or not. And you have three options here. Yes, you have a file where you can upload a file up to 650 MB. It is up to 650 MB where you can upload a file. You can upload any document. You can upload PDF, JPEG, whatever document you have you have received. Please, before opening that, upload it here. Or in case if you say you have a URL which you have received, you can copy, paste the URL here. Now what this site is going to do, it is going to check if it is malicious or not. Now again, you might have a question. You might ask me, Shankar, we understand that, but our computer has an antivirus. Our computer has Defender. These devices are meant to check whether these files are safe or not. Why do I have to go for VirusTotal? Understand this very clearly. You have only one antivirus. VirusTotal has got more than 90 plus antivirus search engines. So the one file which you are going to upload will get compared against 90 plus antivirus search engines. The probability is always good. So let me go here. Let me copy paste a URL. I think this URL is a very normal URL. Let me copy paste YouTube search. Says analysis is in progress. Now it is going to check if the URL is malicious or not. I hope some few few antivirus search engines might flag this as malicious because it says hacking. Okay, no, good. We have 98 antivirus search engines and it says no security vendors flag this URL as malicious. If you get this message, if you see this message, you are good to go. Open the file, click on the URL. It is not malicious. In case if it is malicious, look at these are the different antivirus search engines which says if it is clean or if it is malicious. If it is malicious, it will say it is malicious, suspicious, phishing link. So if you get something like that, please don't open the file. Please don't click that link. That is very bad. Google Pay and Phone Pay are safe. I'll tell you that later if it is safe or not. So virustotal.com is very good. Now, all this you have to do when you receive a PDF document. You can download this. You can download the PDF document, but before opening this, you'll have to go to VirusTotal. You'll have to upload this PDF document to VirusTotal. Don't say, Shankar, I downloaded this, I opened the document, and after that I'm uploading this, it is waste of time. There is no point because your device is already compromised. So before opening that, download the document, upload it to VirusTotal, check the results, then probably you can go and verify the authenticity of the file and you can proceed with that. Yes. So VirusTotal is one, and I hope most of the doubts about Gmail when it comes to security, authenticity, and privacy. Gmail, we all use Gmail, and you always feel suspicious that your Gmail is hacked. I don't know, somebody is monitoring my Gmail. I'm very scared. I don't know what to do. How to check if someone is monitoring my Gmail or if my Gmail is being hacked? Now, for this, you don't have to be too much technical. Let me go with that. Let me go to my Gmail. I'll stop sharing my screen for just 1 second. I'm going for my Gmail. Let me scroll down to the bottom of the Gmail and okay, let me start sharing my screen again. Look at this. Now I'm at the bottom of my Gmail. This is my Gmail. I'm at my bottom. Okay, I'm at my bottom right. Now you have this option called details. Now this is going to be your Gmail log files. This is the Gmail's log file. Now what I can do is I can click on details. Now look at this. This is the log file of my Gmail, which everybody should check occasionally. Why? Because it shows who accessed your Gmail from where. Now it says browser Chrome. I'll go for show details. It says somebody from using Macintosh, Mac OS has accessed using a Chrome browser. They have accessed. And yes, it is me. I'm from Tamil Nadu and this is my IP address and it says 1 hour ago. Yes, it was me. So it is going to give you details like this. Now, what you have to look into this, if it says China, if it says Kenya, if it says Nigeria, then probably your email, Gmail, somebody is trying to access from a different location and you're feeling it and you might want to recheck the details. Even if you access it from your device, see, I've accessed it from my iPhone. So through my iPhone, even if you access, it will show you the details. So this is log files, which is very mandatory for you guys to check if your Gmail is being accessed from some location or not. Another one preventive measure is Gmail's backup code, which most of us. Oh, somebody is talking. Gmail's backup code. Whenever you feel your Gmail is working good, working fine, you have a backup code. Sorry, this is not back code. This is backup code. Take backup code of your Gmail. You have 10 backup codes. Now, why is it important? If an attacker is going to hack your Gmail, the first thing what he is going to do is this. He is going to change your password. Yes, he is going to change your password. He is going to change your recovery email address. He is going to change your mobile number. When an attacker is going to change all of this, now as a user, you won't be in a position to use your Gmail. But if you have backup codes, you can use any one of the backup codes and recover your Gmail instantly. And this Gmail backup code is in your security. Go to security of your Gmail. I cannot go now. If I go to my Gmail security, all my recovery email address, others will get exposed. But let me go and search here, Gmail backup code. Settings. See here, go to here. Okay, I have the picture here. Perfect. So it says go to settings. Go to settings of your mobile, and here you will have security. And in security, all you have to do is turn on two-step verification and choose next. Now you have backup codes. Click on show backup codes. It will show you backup codes like this. Now take a picture of this and save it somewhere else. Please don't save it inside your Gmail. These backup codes are used to rescue your Gmail, is to recover your Gmail. And if these backup codes are inside your Gmail, then you'll have to create a new Gmail ID. Keep it somewhere else in your mobile or somewhere. And when you go for forgot password option, Google is going to give you one option, use any one of the backup codes. You can use any one of the backup codes and without giving password, without giving recovery email address, your Gmail, you can recover it instantly. Yes. So let us go to the starting of where we started. I told you I'll give you the importance of what? Importance of URL, security, anonymity, and privacy. Yes, we have seen this. I don't want to go too much into robotics, too much into IoT. I wanted to connect these devices with the cybersecurity threats which can happen. And I wanted to make it very simple. That's why I don't have any PPTs. Of all these 160 plus international sessions, the PPT what I've showed you, this is what I have. I don't have any technical PPTs. I don't believe in PPTs. I believe PPTs are boring sometimes. Sessions have to be live. So that is why we started with the very basic idea of Google. Why did we start with Google? Because you all will get connected with Google. If I say Shodan, I say, no, we are not going to see about Google. We are going to see about Shodan. Now, for 10-15 minutes, you'll be wondering what is Shodan? What is Shodan? What is this? He is speaking about something, but we don't know anything. But if I speak about Google, you will instantly get connected. And that is why I showed you threats which can happen via Google and what security options do we have. And I wanted to make sure that you are not going to trust URLs anymore. And if you receive a URL, what is the solution which you have got? Yes. So I think I'm done with the session. I hope you have a lot of queries. You can ask your queries now. And in case if you have any other queries regarding to cybersecurity or cybercrime, you are always welcome to connect me via LinkedIn or Instagram. I'll be happy to connect. But please come up with genuine queries. Don't come up with queries asking me to hack a Gmail, hack a WhatsApp. Not
Oh,
that, but
so
anything.
I have a question.
Yes, yes. Sure.
Your session was so much interesting.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you so much. Thank you, Tagore College, for inviting such a versatile speaker. Thank you so much to the entire team, sir. My question is, Gmail always prompts me that your storage is full,
Yes.
right? You need
Yes.
to purchase storage.
Yes.
So how to avoid these? I don't think that our storage is really filled up.
It is really filled up because in your mobile, I assume you're using Android.
Yeah.
Android
You
mobile.
can see everything.
In your Android mobile, what happens is there will be option for backup for all your pictures. Now, this backup will be enabled, will be linked with your Gmail. So that is the issue here. Even if you delete all your mails, Gmail will still prompt that you don't have any space left because your pictures are getting uploaded to your Gmail storage space. So you will have to stop this. Once if you stop this, then you will have enough space.
So for that, I need to follow your reels.
Okay.
You have given that 3-step
Yes,
things in
yes,
one of
yes.
your reels, which I
Yes.
saw right now, and I've followed you on Insta and LinkedIn as well.
Thank you. Thank you. Sure.
Thank you, sir. I've posted a message in your inbox on Insta.
Sure.
So
Sure.
I am
Sure.
Richa Verma from Patna Women's College, Patna,
Oh,
Bihar.
thank you. Thank you. Sure, we'll keep it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Shall I ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you said no thing can be created with 100%
Yes,
safetyness, right?
for sure. For sure.
So how to trust online banking like Google Pay and Phone Pay and all?
You have no other option.
No other option.
See, if you ask me as a person, I have only one mobile and I'm using only one mobile number for the past 16, 17 years. I've never changed my mobile number. But I'm into cybersecurity industry and obviously I'm dealing with a lot of threats. So my mobile is always under surveillance, under attack. So what is the best thing which I can do is I can have an additional mobile. This I can do, and I can have a number which is completely confidential. Okay. But I don't do that because in my mobile, I don't have any financial banking transaction apps. I don't have internet banking. I don't have GPay. You won't believe I don't have GPay. I don't have PhonePe. You can ask me, do I deal with cash? No. Every time I'm in need of paying someone via GPay, say I go to a shop, I need to pay them via GPay. What I do is I take a picture of the scam barcode and I send it to my office, and they pay back, and that is how it works. Yes, it is not convenient. I know that.
Same.
Whenever
Myself also doing the same thing.
Yes, whenever you are going
But
towards
what about
convenience,
us?
you will have to lose
Yes,
security.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is the safest thing.
Yes.
What, madam, what sir is saying, that is the very safest thing. Myself also doing the same. When I'm going, I don't have GPay, I don't have phone pay, and I don't have internet banking or something else. I'm just scanning the code or taking the picture and sending to my office mobile number or my assistant number. Then they are paying. That's all. That's
But
correct,
we
no,
have
sir?
to think about common people.
Yes.
Okay. Common people, okay, but I see in internet banking, you always have virtual keyboard. But how many of you have used this virtual keyboard? None. Why? Because it is very tough to use virtual keyboard, but virtual keyboard is safe. Next time, try using a virtual keyboard. You will protect against a lot of keyloggers. It that is why virtual keyboards were it came into picture. But we have to use it. It is going to be a little bit difficult, but again, when you go for convenience, you will have to compromise security.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. You are so much. You are so inspiring. Actually,
Thank you.
you are inspiring us
Thank you.
a lot.
Thank you for making
Any
us
other
safe,
questions,
sir. Thank you
participant?
for making us safe.
Thank you.
So really, we had a very wonderful session, sir. Thank you so much for your insightful cyber security session.
Thank you.
Your expertise and real-world examples provided valuable insights of current cyber risk, but also inspired and you
Sir,
strengthen our own security
yeah.
practices.
Sir,
Thank you
I
for
have
taking
another
your
one question, sir. Another one
Yes.
question.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, how does this machine learning plays a major role in cyber security, sir? Can you just say?
So you take machine learning or you take LLM, artificial learning, artificial intelligence, you name it, whatever you want. It
Yeah.
is making attackers' job much easier.
So
As I
even in
said,
machine learning also attackers
yes,
can.
yes. See, I need a piece of code. I need a piece of code and it's like 10,000 lines here. Now, as an attacker, I need to spend enormous amount of time to create this code, to check this code. But now, say for example, it takes 10 hours to create a code like this. Now I can create this same within less than 5 seconds. You call it as vibe coding.
Okay.
This concept of vibe coding impacts a lot of different domains, not only machine learning, a lot of different domains. Vibe coders have gained a lot of momentum. So yes, it is going to have an impact both on the cybersecurity level. Cybersecurity professionals are going to use this for the betterment, and similarly, attackers are going to again use this for their own purpose. And you should understand the race never ends. I'm going to create something. The attacker is going to crack that. I'm going to come up with a patch. Again, the patch will be cracked. Again, I'll come up with something. It's a never-ending race. I'll tell
So
you a
what you said
very
is
old
the coding
example of
also
this.
can be
We
the
had
coding of
Windows.
the can be hacked. Yeah.
Yes. See, we had Windows XP. We had a lot of vulnerabilities. Now, what they said, okay, we have come up with Windows XP Service Pack 1. Again, a lot of vulnerabilities. They came up with Windows Series Pack 2. Again, a lot of vulnerabilities. They said Windows 7. Lot of vulnerabilities. They said Windows 8, 10. It goes on. It goes on. You cannot come up with one product which and say, I'm 100% secure. Imagine how many banks are there. Banks are spending trillions of dollars on security. Yes, they spend trillions of dollars on security for cyber security on to secure their networks, to secure their server. My question is this: can any bank come out and post open challenge stating that hackers globally all over the world try hacking our banking system? It is 100% safe. Can they come up with a statement like this? No, they will never. So, what is the impact of spending $1 trillion on security? What I told is 100% security can be possible for today, but tomorrow morning you will never know what happens to your system. That point, not 1% of vulnerability what you have. With that, then attacker enters and they crack your entire network. So that can happen.
So what is your solution, sir? We should not use the internet.
You can use internet. You can trust internet. We don't have any other option. We have come a long way for that. We cannot go back to the Stone Age again. But again, see, we still can rely less on internet for a lot of different things. Internet banking, do you think it is mandatory?
Sir?
Internet banking, do you think it is very mandatory app in any mobile? No, it is a convenience app. I still have the bank. I can go to the bank. I can make withdrawals. I can make deposits. I can do that. But you search for convenience and you go for this, that becomes an easy target for an attacker. So we can rely, but you should the level up to which you rely on internet and internet based applications, it should be very less so that you can be safe. We still can have our mobile to be safe by installing less applications, by installing only the applications whatever we use. By doing so, your mobile can be safe, but we never do that. We install anything and everything which is free. We overload our mobile and then wonder why our mobile is very slow, why the battery is draining out. So that's that's human nature.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Actually, your voice is breaking, Jay Ganesh, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, see, digital government is digital transformation. Things that are changing because they are saying that it's a faster way, safer way like that. They are promoting.
Jay Ganesh, sir, your voice is actually breaking. I'm not able to hear. I don't know if it is only for me or for everyone.
It's for everyone, sir.
It's for everyone, okay.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you're audible, sir, now.
Yeah. I just want to know, based on the interaction what we had, but government is insisting on digital transformation and all things.
Yes.
Think that it's safer and faster. So, what should you everyone changing to digital transformation? And what is your opinion now?
Sir, digitalization has to be there because we are living in a digital era, but we should be knowing the different attack surface and attack vectors, whatever can happen. I cannot think my mobile is safe and I can do anything and everything. No. You should know that your device is vulnerable. It can get hacked anytime, and we should always be in a position to retaliate to an attack. Okay, now my mobile is compromised. What next? Now, what assets of mine will be lost? What assets of mine will be safe? What I have done for that? We should have that mentality. We'll think of precaution only after being a victim of an attack. So yes, digitalization is okay. Digitalization is fine, but we should know internet is such an unsafe place, and then we should play accordingly. That is my point. I am not saying please don't switch off. Please switch off your internet. Don't use internet. No, we cannot be in a position like that. But still, we should know that internet is an unsafe place. You should know. You should be knowing the do's and don'ts of internet. Realizing that proper cyber hygiene, yes, you can play safe in internet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So one question I had.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
First of all, I'd like to thank you for such an informative session.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have just come across this few things like erasing your complete digital footprint. There are certain websites or certain companies offering these services. So till what extent are they effective? Like in a way, is it they will also have a data, like will they erase it from their system or how it works?
Yes. See, again, internet is like an ocean. You drop a pin in the ocean. Now you say, I'm searching for this pin. I'm going to remove this pin from the ocean. Yes, you can try. But once if you say, for example, you have your picture in your internet and you want this picture to be removed. Yes, perfectly fine. If it is only one server, it can get removed. But what happens if it is in multiple servers? It is impossible for you to trace back every server where your picture is and to remove all these pictures. You cannot do that.
There are some softwares boasting that as well, that you can just type in and get wherever your footprint is there, and then accordingly.
No,
not possible.
No.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, is there any device only for transactions which is not hacked by any hackers? Apart from internet, we will not do this. Yeah.
You should now these satellite devices, they are of less target, means they are target very less. Satellite based devices.
Okay.
Satellite based communication, because the crowd is very less here. So attackers, they don't spend time in attacking these devices. So that communication is okay as of now, but it's very costly. We have to decide what we have to do.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Participants, do you have any other questions?
No, sir, but kindly ask, sir. Give us a
Sir,
follow back.
what are the safety measures that we have to follow while using this internet, sir?
It is not a one-line answer. You're asking me a 16-mark question. But still, internet, as I've said, don't fall for any phishing-based emails before clicking links, before opening any file. Make sure you're going to verify and you're going to open. For the first few days, you're going to find it very difficult. But again, and don't install unwanted apps. Don't if you go look at your messages, normal message, not WhatsApp message. If you go look at your normal message, whatever you have received, if you have received 10 messages today, out of that 8 are marketing SMS with a URL. Don't click on that. Install less applications. Be very minimalistic about your about installing applications, and don't overuse your mobile with apps. Probably you can stay safe. That's the best you can do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So one more query.
Yes.
To what extent do these Tor browsers and all can help us in hiding our information? Like, will they still leave a digital footprint behind?
When I said minimalize the use of internet, I meant about all this. You think Tor is going to give us privacy? No. I'll tell you this small example where you have a normal window. This is a normal Chrome window. And you have a private window, or you have a, what do you call that? Anonymous window, or you call it what in Chrome?
Incognito.
Okay, sorry. Incognito window. Now, as a normal user, what do you think? This browser here, normal browser, is going to record a lot of my history. Say, for example, 100 of my history, what I've done. And you think this incognito window is going to record less? Yes, it is going to record less. But from a forensics point of view, I get 200 information out of this, and I get only 100 information out of this.
So, but this is like built in Chrome or any regular browser, right?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
like
You
there
speak
are
about,
special this
yeah,
onion browsers
Brave.
or
You speak
Tor.
about Brave, Tor, anything. It says they're going to be private, they're going to be secure. But again, you are connected to the internet. Tor is again connected to the internet. Brave is connected to the internet. Chrome is connected to the internet. And you say, I'm providing you privacy. Okay, to what extent? That's debatable. You cannot blindly trust anything like that.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Hello, sir. So one more question from my side.
Yes.
Actually, now ChatGPT as well as Perplexity has introduced some AI-based browser. Is it safe to use that kind of browser? Because is it collecting all the information, all the personal information? Like that, I will ask.
Yes, sir, for sure. See, as a user, if any product is offered to you free of cost, then please understand you are the product. No company is going to make sure that the user is very happy, the user is satisfied. No, they are giving you something free of cost because you are the product. They need some information from you. So obviously they're going to collect some information. It is not that we don't mind any information. No, we are going to keep it completely anonymous. You are private. Privacy is much valued. No, please don't believe to comments like this. So with the new browser, if you want to test and trial a new browser, yes, you can test, you can trial, but the longevity matters. Like, what is a purpose, how long they are in the market, because we have seen a lot of products come and go like that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So one question from participant.
Yes.
Hackers can record photos every 5 seconds without the user knowing they are being hacked. How can the user find out if the device has been hacked or not?
Okay, you rather than trying to find out if your device is hacked or not, you can end your internet session. You can put your mobile in flight mode, turn off internet, switch off and switch off your restart your mobile. Probably the connection will get terminated. Or you can want to go technically ahead, you can use rootkit detectors. You can download from internet rootkit detectors, which are available in internet. You can use these devices to scan your device and to find out if there is any malicious file inside. It's just like antivirus, but quite advanced.
Okay. Okay, sir. Shall we end the session, sir? Because
Yes, ma'am.
the other session we have to start at 7:30 p.m.
Okay, you have one more session.
So, no, actually, you are great, sir. Thank you for taking your time to share your knowledge and experience with us. We hope to have the opportunity to collaborate with you again in future, sir.
Sure, anytime, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot. I hope the information what I shared was useful, and I hope you to meet all in another session like this. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I will invite you to Bihar.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Win பண்ணிருங்க.